One of the most useful features in V-Ray Next for 3ds Max is the new memory tracking. It helps you to easily optimize your scenes by generating a memory usage report for textures and objects. This makes it possible to assess how much memory we need for the different parts of our scene and can give insights into areas where you might want to optimize your setup. To see how it works, let's first head to the V-Ray settings and head to the Settings tab. In the System rollout, switch the mode to Expert by clicking twice on the Default button so that you can see the memory tracking feature. Now, let's enable the memory tracking checkbox and then click the Browse button below to specify a location for the memory report. As you can see, it is generated in the HTML file format, so each time you want to open it, it will open up in your web browser. I'm going to name my file Memory Tracking and then click Save. OK, now we can render the scene and then check the memory consumption. Once the render process is finished, you will notice in the V-Ray Messages window that there is a memory report displaying the total peak memory consumption for the scene, as well as a list of the peak memory for different category types of assets. And, if we click on the Show Latest Stats in the Settings tab, a detailed HTML report will open up in the web browser. Here, we can find a detailed breakdown of all our assets, including information about their type and memory consumption, sorted from the highest peak memory consumption downwards. Also, at the bottom, we can see the same summary for the different types of assets and total peak memory used for the scene that we saw listed in the V-Ray Messages window. Alright, now you've seen how using V-Ray Next, you can get detailed information about the memory consumption of your assets, making it easier than ever to optimize your scenes so you can save time and render faster.